This is Rahul Kate, team leader of Innovex, and yeah, we have participated for a hack better than me by Triple ID Pune. And for that, we have got a problem statement which is about learning agent that understand the learner, adapter, process, and guides, and successfully achieve. We build Nova Mind. Nova Mind is not just like a single chatbot. What we basically use. We get roadmap, we think, we write on board, but later, 3 days, we forget is a whole system that consists of hierarchical graph-based agent under the hood, which basically tracks, generate a plan, update a plan, modify the whole thing agents monitor just to achieve that goal what you have said 10 weeks before, 12 weeks before to make you to able. So yeah, moving to Nova Mind. So this is what a Nova Mind basically dashboard or I think look like. Login credentials are already stored in there. I'm setting VN full stack developer and currently I'm at a beginner level, a generator roadmap. It started a bit still. I will share what the workflow of Graph basically is. Yeah, so yeah, after getting this timeline, I think we are at this stage. If our stage is full, we basically go to clarify the code, we get proper message like I want to be X, I want to be Y. Then a content retriever. Our first LLM basically here. It's a small language model, Mulnama 3B, which is a small language model. The content, what you said, to match with the roadmap.sh. If it's fail, it will directly calls its web search and tool. Here, the roadmap.sh generates a detailed roadmap, which is actually trusted by most. So we are not depending just on the LLM to generate an XY format of roadmap, but we are getting the trusted roadmaps. Here, the plan generator actually generate a plan, what to do at what step, at that wire you have to solve this quiz. Then the plan adapter. Here, Google Calendar tool basically plugs in, which adapts your daily plan on the Google Calendar, which helps to directly get us like sending a manual mails, which will also increase our cost. This is what a process learning stage is, and at this stage, basically your whole current state is a identity. Router comes in, and what conditional router basically does, it just basically tracks your progress. Here, progress tracking is done by quiz. Quiz goes to feedback loop. If you score in the quiz generated by agent by understanding your overall growth, it will just go calls a nudge generator. What a nudge generator? It will get a detailed response for the next agent basically does it check whether the given state is correct or not. If the given state is correct, then it will just pass a message that you don't have to generate a new plan. Fail when were fail and the detailed response is also recorded. Then the plan generator will update the plan. The thing is that every individual user has his own given state. No new states are created, just states are updated. This makes an whole entire workflow achievable and something low roadmap is ready. Yes, you can say this is a whole dashboard base and this is what a today's task which is assigned me to complete its HTML fundamentals for full stack development. Here you can see all the given resource for completing this task. Like here, it's what a Web3 school for HTML link. Like if I right click on it, it will plus HTML, which will give the whole resource what is required for doing. So it's not like ChatGPT. It basically gives you what to learn from where to learn, but it's very less that it's yeah, we have trusted on various platforms like W3 School, Geek for Geek, and widely specific videos, which is already add our back and which help us to give only trusted content to us. So this is what HTML tutorial play page basically is. Here are given examples, which we can directly move from here to there. It's short form. So it's a roadmap. Here is a 12-week full stack development and Harbor week what we have selected. This is for week one. You have to do this type of two things as today Saturday and tomorrow Sunday. So only two quizzes ready. And next week, which you have to do. Then it's for third week. Then it's for 4 week. And considering it has did this generate at the end, there is a mini project assigning you. It's a AI doubt solver which basically solves your doubt. And yeah, this is your AI doubt solver. You can specifically mention what doubt you. This is normal chatbot here. AI tutorial is great. You have to do slash today, which basically gets the today's task, the content resource we just shared. And you have to step by step guide for learning the HTML. Yeah, today's task is you have to do the HTML fundamentals. These things you have to do, and these are the recommended resources. The best thing is quizzes, which basically decide your threshold score and other things also. Let's start giving the quiz. This is what are the primary development. See, I doesn't know anything. I will randomly click on the CSS and depending upon this, a quiz basically stored and Nova Mind. It's basically update. Let's see. And our architecture is this is a software architecture, which is basically a client layer, which is a React.js dashboard, backend layer, which is collected with Node.js for routing, JWT, auth, user service, etc. And this is the tutorial service, which is the LangGraph based agent, which is what we have here. Sure. Is in this is not just only using certain tools connected. We have used modern concepts like a model context protocol, feed external tools using roadmap.sh for uh, highlighting our core or generating a very great roadmap. And yeah, this is some artificial research reference. And the best thing about this is that this is built on a single paper called as Artificial Intelligence for Personalized Adaptive Learning. The paper failed to explain that single agent architecture is also great, and we prove it. This is Nova Mind, built by Siddesh, Rahul, Shubham, and Darshan. And yes.